Hi everybody, Jim from County Corvette. Got a great car here today. It's a 67 small block, 300 horse powerglide. This car was body off restored 15-20 years ago and has been driven somewhat, but really well maintained. And what I can say is this was a very pure car to start with. Now this car has a lot of really great original paperwork. It's got the original window sticker, not a repro, and the original tank sticker, build sheet, which is still affixed to the original tank, which they cut off. It's usually the best way to do it. And that preserved all the original data on there. Everything's legible. And I want to read off the options here. It's just a really well-equipped car. So, Sunfire yellow. It's a Tuxedo interior, so that's an original black with white seats, door panels. And it's original trim tag. Obviously the original VIN plate. It's an original 300 engine, 300 horsepower, 327, original to the car. The car's got the original window glass in it. It was just, like I said, just from what I can tell, just a really, really nice, pure original car to start with. And, you know, when you have a car that was restored some time ago and it's held up, to me that means it was done correctly. So it's not often we see the small horsepower cars that received really good body off restorations. This did. But I'm going to read off the options. Sunfire yellow, power brake, white black vinyl trim, which is interior, powerglide trans, white convertible top, tinted windshield, power windows, 4-season air, auxiliary hardtop. So it was originally vinyl covered. They took it off and painted it yellow, but it had a vinyl black top on it, on the hardtop itself. So that's not original, but a lot of people like the way that looks better. AM/FM radio. It was a white sidewall car and power steering. I also have the shipping data report, and everything corresponds in here. I'm 100% certain these are the original documents on it. Nobody really fakes a 300, but people will fake options, but these options are original. What's not original on the car, as I said, is the hardtop. The vinyl covering was removed. It's an undercar exhaust. Side exhaust was added, which doesn't really deter on the car. I have the original undercar exhaust, rear filler panel that comes with the car. And it has reproduction bolt-on wheels with red line radial tires on it. The car drives just incredibly well. The other thing that's not original is the air conditioning compressor. It's an upgraded, more modern, but proper fitting unit converted to 134A. A car like this with the lower horsepower, it's a car, runs on pump gas, but with all these options, steering, brakes, windows, air, and it just makes it such a nice driver. So, you know, for somebody that wants an older Corvette but still wants the creature comforts, doesn't feel like shifting, it's a really clean body. The restoration itself is held up well. The car's really, really impeccably maintained. So we've gone through the car, it really didn't need much at all. Just a couple, minor little things that passed all our inspections quite well. And everything works as it should. And it's a really highly optioned, kind of rare car. So take a good look at it. Paint still looks great on it. It was done in lacquer, still looks fantastic. What's nice about that is it's a car you can touch up relatively easy. You get a stone chip, you can actually touch that up and it's almost undetectable. Whereas in base coat, clear coat, you're going to see it a lot more prominently. So take a good look at this car. It's got all the right paper and just a really nice restoration. I mean, you can buy it for significantly less than the restoration cost 25 years ago, let alone a modern restoration, which you're starting at $200,000, and I know people might be shocked at that number, but that's entry level for restoration. You're more in upwards of $250 to $300 to do a concourse restoration these days. We do them all day, and that's on a good car. So when you find one that's restored really well that you want to drive, this is a good car to look at. So thanks for watching.